Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers. Where? Junction City, Oregon. Who am I? The van guy. Yeah, I'm Gary.Christiance, but you all know me as the van guy. Super hot, exciting news. 4-wheel drive. 2017 Roadtrek CS 4,100 miles. Let's just take a look at this bad boy. So the CS Camper Special got 3 seats up front, and we used to get a bed kit so you can make a third bed, which Roadtrek's still up in business. Could be available, but you turn these around, this makes a third bed, so you can have 5-6 people going down the road and you can sleep 3 of them. Convection microwave, double door refrigerator. Both chairs turn around. The table for all 3 goes right there, and it's right behind the driver's seat. If you look underneath the driver where the driver sits, that's your 12-volt fuses, circuit breakers. The 2 switches up here are your 400 lithium battery system, which is a big upgrade in cost. Surround sound, here's 2 speakers in here. Electric sofa in the back. You can see that 2 shoulder restraints here in the back, and it's probably got a lap belt. Push the little button here behind me, folds flat for a nice twin bed. See, I knew it was here all along. Counter extensions here. There's another counter extension right over here. So you've got a couple workplaces. If somebody's back in here, you can come back in here and go to work. While I'm cranking that up, your entertainment center, DVD player. You got your speaker controls, surround sound, or automotive, so you can bring them from up front back in here and play it. This is on a swivel, turns all the way around so everybody can turn around and see it. Nice storage here in the back. See, the CS has, this is all additional storage right here, okay? You're picking up these shelves or a hanging space extra, what you would have over most of the other models. Shades in the back, so you've got day and night shades right here. You've got windows on both sides that you pop open. You have cup holders on both sides for when you're taking people on a long trip or for a short trip. Bathroom. So sneak on over here. There's your sink. The shower is not hooked up right now down to the faucet, but that's where it goes. You use it handheld. You don't leave it up there and take a shower. You'll run out of water. Of course, in your park, you're probably going to go inside anyway. Induction cooking. So, I said storage. I really meant it. And then a little drawer here. And then a nice big space down below. There's another inverter. There's your Insta-Hot right here. So what they did for that is they put switches right up here, and it's a timer. So when you're using this, you set your timer, and then once it's done, it'll shut it off. So that way you don't forget and just leave it going. Monitor panels up here. Inverter switch. It's got a screen that fits here on these little pegs. It goes down the middle. It's got magnets, so when you walk through it, you're set. Disconnected the battery. Rough air. Fantastic fan. We'll spin around the outside. It's got an electric awning. That awning switch is right up here, so you can just sit here and retract. You don't have to run around. Both seats, they'll swivel around. Alcoas, which is an option upgrade, big option upgrade. Your arms come out here for the awning if you want to attach them to the side of your vehicle. Receiver hitch, wiring, rated for 5,000 pounds. Backup cameras up here. Another inverter up in here because they have one up front to run the induction cooktop. And then it's got all your hoses or your power cord, extra seat belts that they removed, and they attach right here. So you have another lap belt that goes in there. Electrical outlets, more speakers, reading lights on both sides, and a 12-volt outlet. This is an emergency exit. You can't open this from the inside and exit the vehicle. Big speaker down below completes your surround sound. Outdoor shower. Nice and sleek. And what they did, since they can't cut into the body, here's your full-size spare, 110 power cord. This holds it up. Then if you move up here, macerator, dump handles, and your water hookup. And as all Mercedes, you have to open the door to be able to get into the fuel. Questions? I know you have them. My email's right there. You can email me. Hey, how about this? Just give me a call. Call the van guy at 541-554-9581. 4-wheel drive. Used. Thanks.